examples I have given you. And you would say polyethylene. Its chemical name is polyethylene, and commercially in the market it is known as polythene. पॉलीथीन के प्लास्टिक बैग नहीं होते, प्लास्टिक है पॉलीथीन. समझ आ गया? You are sometimes asked to name a polymer. May it be addition or condensation. You should be knowing the names. Positively better class में, because now I am in my very positive mood. The second bullet point, they'll come in sequence and they will meet the syllabus. And they will meet your past paper questions and they will meet your future questions. So please do write. And once और यही bullet point हर polymer पे हम apply करेंगे. Life आसान हो जाएगी ना last step से ये organic chemistry की. Now there's a word called monomer. I've given you, these are simple molecules, right? So the monomer, name of the monomer, mono, M-O-N-O, monomer, or if there are more than one type, that's why I put monomers. Name of the monomer or monomers which form polythene. Polythene is a polymer, a macromolecule made by small molecules. And usually they are identical in an addition polymer. I have given the definition. It is ethene. The name is ethene. I hope you're copying along with me because I'll erase it. So online students also. So if they ask you what's the name of the monomer which forms polyethene, you'll say ethene. Is this only one monomer which is repeated many times? You'll say yes. Is it saturated monomer or unsaturated? You'll say unsaturated. Why? Because addition polymer has to be formed. And that I've told you in the definition. That in addition polymers, the monomers are usually identical. यानी कि बार-बार A, they are added together, but always unsaturated. How can they undergo addition reaction? यहां तक समझ आ गया सबको? अब जब एक एग्जांपल समझ आ रहा है तो आपने सेकंड एग्जांपल पे भी ये नॉलेज अप्लाई करनी है, थर्ड पे भी, और किसी भी अनसीन एग्जांपल पे. क्योंकि आई एम टीचिंग यू अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस रिक्वायरमेंट. I will not exceed the limits. Neither I will avoid the limits. I'll meet the boundary wall. My third bullet point, my dear student, is a loaded bullet point, and it has 4 things you have to do. You have to write the MF. MF means the molecular formula. Then you have to write EF. EF means empirical formula. Then you have to write SF, my abbreviation, which is structure formula. And then you should be able to write smartly the condensed structure formula to save your time of the monomer. Of the monomer, जिसने polythene बनाया है, अगर एक से ज़्यादा है, तो we put S. All of you do it. Class assignment. Can you write the molecular formula of ethene? What will help you to deduce the molecular formula? The general formula of alkene, CnH2n. So what will be the molecular formula of ethene? C2H4. What will be the empirical formula deduced from it? CH2. ये exam questions है सारे. If you know them, be happy. If you are ignoring them, it means you are negligent. They are simple because you know them. Now the structure formula. Complete structure formula is also known as displayed structure. Display का मतलब पता है ना? सब चीज नजर आ रही है, यहाँ है. And that is, you'll form 2 carbon atoms with a double bond and 4 hydrogen atoms. You can put anywhere, left or right. Right? Now in the condensed structure formula, now you are smart enough, since you have done 5 homologal series, alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, carboxylic acid and esters. that in a condensed structure formula, you have to show the functional group. Rest of the molecule, you can condense as much as you want. So the condensed is CH2 double bond CH2. Are you clear? Online students are only 5 right now, if I'm correct. Yes. There are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Online students, have you understood till here? Mohid, can you hear me? जवाब भी नहीं देते. Munib Nasir, are you sleeping?
Yes, miss.
सो रहे थे ना? I caught you red-head. Were you sleeping? No?
No, miss.
तो बेटा आपने कॉपी कर लिए ये points? Have you understood?
Ji, miss.
Okay, rest
Yes,
of you
sir.
also, please. Okay, Safiullah, now right now I can see only 5 students online, and that is so sad. The whole group B and some of the C are not attending the class, and some of the A are absent. So this is the way they are handling, and they have to send up next month. And maybe the send up grades are the actual grades, God forbid, or play a pivotal role in your actual grades if, God forbid, you don't take physical O-level exam in 2020 May, June. God forbid. One doesn't know. समझ आ गई यहाँ तक? Should I move to the next bullet point? Bilal Ahmed, do you allow me to move ahead? Thank you. So pay interest. If things are simple, enjoy them. Don't ignore them. The third bullet point is you should know how this polymer is formed two-dimensionally. That is, you should know how to write the reaction for the formation of any polymer. How can you write the reaction until you really know the mechanism of reaction? कि किस तरीके कार से वो reaction occur होती है? Mechanism in detail is not a part of your syllabus. Neither they will ask you. They will only expect you to write the reaction for the formation of A, B, C, D polymers, whichever. But I will explain you briefly, very smartly, the mechanism of reaction, so that you can write the reaction with confidence and then carry on with further points related to the reaction. So I want your attention now. The next bullet point is important, though it will not be asked directly, but its application will be asked. What is the application of mechanism of reaction? Write the reaction for the formation of that polymer. I hope you are understanding. I'm doing my level best to make chemistry as simple as making what is very simple in life to make? Nothing. Okay. As simplicity. So the next bullet point, my dear students, I'm trying to gain enthusiasm by, is mechanism of reaction. अब mechanism को आपने पहले समझना है. आज एक क्लास 10 का बच्चा मुझसे पूछता था, मिस सदीकी, मैंने टॉपिक दिया था mechanism of electrolysis. It quiz है. So he asked me, class 10 का बच्चा, Miss Siddiqui, are we supposed to know the half cell equations? I said, what is the topic I gave you? He said, mechanism of reaction. I said, what does that mean? It means that you should know how to write half cell equations, occurring at anode and cathode, and then how to create a full cell. बताइए. This is the standard. We will show mechanism by taking two monomers. If we know how to react them, we can react billions and trillions with the same mechanism. Agreed? The reaction which will take place will be addition reaction. नाम ही काफी है, addition polymer है. और addition reaction की, my dear students have got enough knowledge when I was teaching them alkenes. Right? Now let's take two monomers, ethene. I'm using condensed formula because now I think you are smart enough to understand that the double bond is not between carbon and hydrogen, it's between carbon and carbon. Now, when a double bond is removed, active sites become available. That is, those areas of the molecule which can combine further. Double bond means not both the bond, but the second bond. It's removed. It was engaging two electrons, a pair of electrons. They become now free. So look. Right? The two electrons which were engaged in a double bond between the two carbon atoms have become free to bond further. I'm using condensed formula. If you are not clear with the condensed formula, I can write structure formula for this situation. Online students, can you all see? Yes. Okay. Likewise, the one also. Now you can understand. You all understand? They will add up together, that is, they will bond. And this will be the ji? Still two covalences available. If you write the structure formula of this situation, it will be, we are showing the covalences available or the unshared electron on left and right. It can be below and above, but for convenience. So this is the situation. Online students, can you see it from on the board, please? नजर आ रहे हैं आपको? थोड़ा सा कट गया, थोड़ा सा नीचे करेंगे कैमरे को, थोड़ा सा कर रहा है, अमान कर रहा है नीचे कैमरे को, लास्ट जो है ना, थोड़ा सा दिखा दीजिए इनको नीचे वाला भी। अब आ रहे नजर प्यारे लड़कों? मोबाइल जवाब तो दे दो यार, शर्मा क्यों? यार मैं आपकी पुरानी उस्ताद हूँ, कोई नई जगह नहीं है और आप मेरे अच्छे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, जवाब तो दे दिया करो यार माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सही, अब आगे चले, अब आ गया ईमान, थैंक यू। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, समझ आ गया आपको भी? पक्की बात है, मैकेनिज्म समझ आ गया। When you know how to react two monomers to addition reaction for forming polythene, you can do infinite number. Now I am coming to the next bullet point. Exam question अक्सर 2 marks का होता है. I'm not fond of weighing questions with marks. I'm fond of weighing questions with percentages. So 1 becomes great when it becomes 100%. When you get 1 out of 1. So I believe in percentage. So every point becomes 100% then. It carries a weightage of 100 marks, no matter it is 1 mark. So my dear students, समझ आ रहा है आपको भी? See those students who are absent physically, how much they miss. Book is also explaining the same way. Any tutor will explain the same way, but the way it is delivered, the same thing is different from teacher to teacher. Now we come to the reaction for the formation of polythene. The next bullet point, I'm erasing the mechanism now. This all of you have understood. And it is never asked. They assume that you know, the examiner. So this bullet point is asked in the form of a question. Reaction, please copy along with me because the time passes very quickly in my class. Reaction of formation, if I'm using the correct preposition, formation, reaction of formation of polythene or any addition polymer. You'll use n number of uncombined monomer. I'm using condensed formula. I hope my students will accept it. When you write n in front of the molecule or compound, it shows the number. For example, 2H2, it means 2 hydrogen molecules, or NH2 means any number other than 1, more than 1 hydrogen molecules. They are uncombined with each other. Now see, addition reaction is taking place. Mechanism आ रहा है दिमाग में? Visualize कर रहे हैं आप सब? You're getting a situation of this sort. Didn't you get this situation in your mind? You put a bracket, solid bracket, with covalency still outside, a little out, showing that process is carried on, it's not stopped, and you put N over here. Now when N becomes over here, comes over here, it means combined. For example, if I take 2H atoms uncombined, when they combine, they become, see the coefficient changes to subscript. Coefficient is a number before, it shows uncombined particles. Subscript means those particles, whatever they are, here it is ethene, they have combined. You all agree with it? Do you intellectually agree or you just agree because you have understood? Intellectually means at all levels of intelligence. When you say a person is an intellectual, it doesn't mean that he has ratified few books. It means he has understood all levels of whichever come under intelligence. Now a student who is very smart and he understands so well that now he can apply this knowledge to any example. In exam, an unseen, unknown monomer formula is given to you, which is unsaturated. And they say, write the reaction for the formation of this monomer. बेशक उसमें 50 कार्बन है या और बॉन्ड्स हैं और क्या कुछ है, मगर उधर अनसेचुरेशन मौजूद है. मैकेनिज्म तुम अप्लाई करोगे. Mentally you'll apply on two monomers. You'll create or you'll bend the molecule or whatever and make covalencies available on right and left by removing double bond. इधर तो जरूरत नहीं ना पड़ी because it has two carbon atoms only, the monomer, so you don't need to bond it, bend it. There were the double bond carbon atoms are already present on left and right. Because when we'll be doing polypropene, remember in polypropene the double bond is between middle carbon and one of the left or right carbon. Agreed or not? तो ये मैं आपकी एप्लीकेशन इंक्रीज कर रही हूं फॉर एन अनसीन पेपर. क्लास में बैठो, अगला पिछला सोच के बेशक थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई करो. So my dear students, you have understood the reaction. The next 3 bullet points are coming which are related to this bullet point, and they come appear in the exam as questions carrying 1 marks or maybe 2. But total topic will become of 10 marks, which I have taught. So the next bullet point, my dear student, is examiner asks you to write the formula of, obviously they expect you to write condensed or structure formula of polyethylene. Can you all write? You will not write the reaction. Please don't become overexcited and write irrelevant knowledge. So you write the formula. Please you all. ये bullet point देखे और साथ साथ fill करते जाए. मैं नहीं fill कर रही अब. I'm saving my ink. I hope you can. इसको ये condensed formula, इसको structure formula बना सकते हो ना hydrogen atom को नीचे. ठीक है जी. Next bullet point आएगा. Online students, you can see that the next bullet point comes. Write the formula of the repeat unit. अब repeat unit क्या चीज है मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. Please, but write the heading of the next bullet point. Write formula of what? Structure or condense. Formula of repeat unit which forms polyethylene. Right? We are talking of polyethylene. Okay, my dear student. If in a molecule then AA coming and the formula of the polymer is I'm giving an analogy. One thing is that when you are writing the formula of polymer, Always write covalences on left and right, solid bracket, and little covalences outside the bracket. Why? Because this will show that the continuity, the bonding can still go on. It's not stopped. जैसा मैंने किया ना, ठीक है जी, ये टेक्निकल बात बता रहे हैं आप। अब आप देखें कि जो फॉर्मूला है ए का, पॉलीमर का, उसमें क्या चीज बार बार आ रही है? रिपीट का मतलब होता है एनीथिंग कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन। ए आ रहा है ना बार बार, नींद आ रही है आपको बहुत है ना? तुम्हारा नाम मैं भूल जाती हूँ हमेशा, बोलो। हाँ, पहीलावा। Look, I remember your name, but I forget your name. How do you like this statement? It has a meaning. I remember the essence of your name, which is your father name or your Zat Ava. That's essence, Khushbu. But I forget your name. So my dear Fahid, यूनिट का मतलब दहाई, कोई एक कोई फिगर है जैसे, या कोई भी एक चीज है जो बार बार आ रही है। अब बार बार क्या चीज आ रही है इसमें? ए। सो द रिपीट यूनिट ऑफ दिस पॉलीमर will be, am I right or wrong? Without brackets. So the formula of the polymer without bracket is the repeat unit. How do you like me? Connectivity. The formula of the polymer, you already know, polythene. Without brackets, which means without n, without brackets, is the repeat unit. Have you understood? The three, that is from the reaction we got the formula. वैसे भी तुम्हें आना चाहिए. You don't have to write the reaction to get to know the formula. You should have a lot of practice at home. That's what I'm saying. Skill is practice. Repeat unit of polythene is, for students online, that's it. Online students, have you understood? Safiullah, Ibrahim, Hassan, Mawahid. Okay, thank you. One is enough. I live now is a now एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कह रही हूँ. And I don't know, I find students most intellectual. I'm sorry to say, maybe my level of intellect is very high or too low. But I find when I come to my student community, I feel that I'm sitting with intellectuals. I have defined intellectuals you earlier. And I feel like saying something good. I feel, and this is one of the nishani of Qiyamah or the day of dooms, I feel that when collectivity, ijtamaiyat, जो अल्लामा इकबाल कहते थे, इज्तमा, the collectivity is converting into individuality, not physically through social distancing, which is obviously very apparent. अल्लाह ने का हुक्म है कि आप अलग अलग रहो, but I feel that intellectually also is the time when you have to think individually for yourself only. No, अफरा तफरी आ गई है और बंदा अपना सोचता है सिर्फ कि यार मैं अच्छा हो जाऊं, मुझे कोरोना ना हो, मेरी तनख्वाह चलती रहे, क्योंकि इतना ज्यादा अनसर्टेनिटी आ गई है कि people have less energies to think for others now, and this is when the day of doom will come nearer. अफरा तफरी का जब आपने इस्लामियत पढ़ी है, सबने ए स्टार लिए हैं, ए स्टार के सब बच्चे हैं ना इस्लामियत, all is. चलिए, let's come back. I hope you have appreciated what I have said. So my dear student, now comes the next bullet point. परेशान ना हुआ करें, मैं पढ़ाती ही सीख रही हूँ, मैं समझ आ रहा है आपको? The next question which can come in the exam, please write, which is in the form of a bullet point. The next bullet point is a reverse exercise, and reverse exercise always shows your understanding, and that is based on deduce. You know the meaning of the word deduce? इस पे दो bullet point आ रहे हैं. First bullet point is, right, deduce the formula of the polymer from the repeat unit. Formula, deduce what? Formula of polymer, कोई भी दे सकते हैं वो तुम्हें, from the repeat unit. Believe it or not, MCQs आए हैं इस पे. फॉर्मूला पॉलीमर का दिया कहा है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द रिपीट यूनिट, और रिवर्स क्वेश्चन आएगा. ठीक है, फॉर्मूला ऑफ पॉलीमर फ्रॉम द रिपीट यूनिट. व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल पुट ब्रैकेट अराउंड द रिपीट यूनिट एंड पुट n. ये करोगे ना. अगर आपको रिपीट यूनिट पॉलीथीन का दिया हो एंड दे से व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पॉलीथीन, you put bracket around the repeat unit and put n. MCQs में करवा रही हूँ, अब आपको पास पेपर प्रैक्टिस साथ साथ करवा रही हूँ. From 1990, I remember papers of 1990 also till 2019. तो अक्टूबर 2020 का पेपर अभी मैंने देखा नहीं, मई जून का तो आया नहीं था. It died before his life. जी है आगे मई जून का. I'll get it in hard copy today. The next bullet point is again based on deduce. Deduce the formula. Deduce the formula of monomer if there are more than one from the repeat unit. From the repeat unit. अब यहाँ का repeat unit में जो है वो एक ही monomer से बना हुआ है. एक ही monomer से repeat unit बना हुआ है ना, ethene से. So when it will be given to you, you will bring unsaturation from saturation and you will quickly deduce this is the formula of the monomer. Covalencies को. This is the understanding which I am giving you, which will be generalized till polysaccharides. These bullet points, you can number them also, because next time I am not going to repeat numbers. I mean the whole sentence of the bullet points. I'll say now number one, name of the polymer. You should also write number one and relate it with your key. So in short, अगर आप आज पॉलीइथीन कर लेते हैं ना, तो घर जाके पॉलीप्रोपीन, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड और एनी एडिशन पॉलीमर अंडर दीज बुलेट पॉइंट्स कर सकते हैं खुद, अगर आपको शौक है पढ़ने का, बुक खोल के. पढ़ाई का शौक होना चाहिए. टीचर इज नॉट देयर, टीचर इज ओनली एनकरेजिंग एंड ओपनिंग द डोर. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डिड यू समझ आ गया? अब नेक्स्ट बुलेट पॉइंट, हम एंड पे आ रहे हैं. Maybe this is the second bullet point I'm giving you, second last. Online students, please pay attention. Now write, the bullet point is longer sentence. It says, अब बहुत आता है. Write the reaction for polythene, or write the reaction for the polymer, in this case polythene. Reaction, so the bullet point is reaction of the polymer showing a segment. Segment का मतलब क्या होता है? हिस्सा. Showing a segment of say 3 repeat units, या 2 हो जाते हैं, 5 नहीं कहेंगे, 2, 3 कहेंगे, of 3 repeat units. अब तुम्हें रिएक्शन लिखनी है, नॉट द जनरल रिएक्शन विच यू डिड इट एन नंबर ऑफ दिस गिविंग अस polythene times n, the formula times n, right? You have already got that. Here they are specifying, showing only a segment which has 3 repeat units, so you have to follow the instruction. The examiner really wants to know कि रट्टा तो नहीं लगाया हुआ बच्चे ने. And that would be, you will say, 3 uncombined ethene molecules. Condensed formula you can use. Forming what? Now you have to open up 3 repeat units. 2. Now the third one comes. Don't say Miss Riki, हम एक repeat unit करके bracket डाल के end 3 डाल दे. No. They want to see your working. Working का समझे ना लफ्ज? Is it clear? Now the last bullet point. सर कौन करेंगे? सर अदील अंदर आ जाइए. बस लास्ट पॉइंट मैं बता रही हूँ, अभी बेल नहीं बजी. एक 20 के 12-20 की थी ना मेरी क्लास में. बस आपसे होने वाली है. बस लास्ट पॉइंट है. यूज ऑफ पॉलीथीन प्लीज. अब तो बैन हो गया मगर आपके सिलेबस में बैन नहीं हुआ अभी. सर आ जाइए. द लास्ट बुलेट पॉइंट, यूज ऑफ पॉलीथीन. ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो राइट प्लीज. नंबर 1 फॉर मेकिंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स. ये बड़ा आता है एग्जाम में, 1 मार्क का, सिर्फ 1 मार्क का होता है मगर आता है हमेशा ये. क्लिंग फिल्म्स का पता है ना, जो सैंडविचेस पे आप लगाते हो, डिशेस पे. क्लिंग फिल्म्स, राइट. एंड प्लास्टिक यूटिलिटीज. डोंट लुक एट सर. Adil is my son. SUN, not SON. Plastic utilities चीजें. Now please switch off my and goodbye online. See you in live inshallah on Monday.